Welcome back. My name is MrSchroeter, and I want to thank you for tuning into my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Hit that join button. Join the channel membership. Make sure that you are tuning into all of our uploads, the previous uploads that we've had, as well as our new uploads. Ring that notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe to our other channels, the Nigel Schroeder Show, which is my podcast, as well as the Credit Sensei, which is my other channel, where I'm giving you guys all types of tips on building your business and personal credit. The Cash Couple is another great channel that we have where you're going to get to see some behind the scenes action with myself and Crystal. And don't forget to go back and tune into some of my shorts where I give you guys some of my keys to success and some quick credit tips. Check out our playlist as well as our previous live streams. And with that being said, go ahead and sit back and prepare for the show. All right, welcome back, everyone. And today we're going to be giving you guys some insight on how you can increase your Navy Federal internal score as well as build up your Navy Federal credit card limits and build up your relationship with Navy Federal. So today, let's start off with, if you are watching this video is a video that I've done previously, but I wanted to do some updates, and it's guided towards people with currently bad or poor credit. And I will be making another update as far as people who do not have poor credit. But for those of you who have poor credit, the main thing that you're going to want to do is start off with the Navy Federal secured products. All right, so first things first, of course, you want to open up a Navy Federal savings account as well as a Navy Federal checking account. If you are currently employed or running a business or whatever you may be doing to produce cash flow in your personal account, make sure that you're making deposits. If you're employed, it would be great to transfer your direct deposit over to Navy Federal, or even a portion of your direct deposit over to Navy Federal, so that the bank can see that you are making consistent deposits into this account. That's going to increase your internal score, as you're going to have a direct deposit coming to Navy Federal. If you have some amount of money in that bank account, that's also going to increase your internal score, because you will have multiple accounts with Navy Federal showing that you're making deposits and building up that overall relationship. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is, when you're looking into the secured products, start off with a secured loan. Get that secured loan, and once you get it, you're going to pay it down, the majority of it off. Navy Federal will reimburse you those funds as soon as they receive that payment within 48 hours. So within 48 hours, or should I say 2 to 3 business days, because sometimes I've noticed on the weekends they will have slower processing, but they're going to reimburse you those funds. So by them reimbursing you those funds, you're not going to be spending anything for that secured loan, essentially, besides the little small amounts of interest that Navy Federal charges. So once you get done with that, you're going to want to go and open the Navy Federal secured credit card, the It Rewards card, which will be the light blue credit card that Navy Federal offers. Now, when you open up the It Rewards card, you're going to want to open this card up. After about 3 months, they may or may not partially unsecure your card. And then at the 6-month mark is where they begin reviewing your account every month to determine if they're going to completely unsecure your card. So basically, you should see some type of increase. within the first 6 months of you having that card, potentially within the first 3 months. And what you're going to want to do during that time frame is you're going to want to be working on repairing anything that's negative on your credit report. So that means if you currently are in a situation where you're experiencing any missed payments, you're going to want to try to correct those missed payments. If you're in a situation where you're experiencing any type of collections, you're going to want to try to get those disputed and paid off within that time frame. If you're in a situation where you have high utilization, you're going to want to try to start paying that utilization down and doing basically whatever you can do to increase your credit score while you are in the process of getting everything together with these secured cards. Now, after you've had these secured cards, I'd say for about 4 months, once you've had the secured card and the secured loan, you're going to want to go back to Navy Federal. Once you go back to Navy Federal, you're going to actually go ahead and do their pre-qualification. Now, when you do their pre-qualification, it should tell you what cards you pre-qualify for. You're going to choose whichever card best meets your spending habits and go ahead and apply for that card. So now you should be able to get unsecured credit with Navy Federal at this point. And I recommend that you keep that card for an additional 4 months before you would even look at pre-qualifying for a third card. But I recommend that you keep that card for at least 6 months if you have that time span, and apply for an increase on that card. Wait another 3 to 4 months after that, and then apply for your third card. While going through this process, you want to make sure that you are in turn getting rid of any hard inquiries, repairing anything that is negative on your credit report, and just doing everything that you can to increase your score for the time being. That's going to allow you to be able to get into those ranges where you've repaired your credit, you've built a relationship with Navy Federal, and then you can get approved for the flagship by your second or third card. And if you can get approved for the flagship, then you're looking at a minimum $5,000 limit whenever you apply for that card, because it is a Visa signature card, and that is their minimum limit. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.